Top 5 B schools in South India. South India has now become the educational hub of India and is leading from the front in providing quality management courses. The list of best MBA colleges in South India has grown in the recent past, with many new and upcoming B schools offering full-time courses. Here is our list of top 5 MBA colleges in South India that are known for providing excellent management education along with high placement offers. ICFAI Business School, IBS, Hyderabad. IBS Hyderabad, a deemed university as per the UGC Act 1956, is a part of the ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education. The school is also rated A by CRISIL and is also an excellent business school by many such authorities. IBS Hyderabad is given A++ grade and awarded the rank 2 by Silicon India in the year 2017. Accredited by South Asia Quality Improvement System (SAQS), it has established healthy partnerships with foreign universities, NGOs, and banks to conduct industry-specific trainings and management courses. IBS also has a reputation for getting placement offers to all its students, with the average pay package of 6.90 lakhs per year in 2017. IBS appear 5th in our list. Number 4th, Department of Management Studies, DMS, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. The IIT tag makes the Department of Management Studies, IIT Madras, an institute of repute. The MBA program of DOMS is a 2-year program with courses spread over 7 semesters and about 5 to 6 courses per semester. During the summer breaks, students are supposed to go for industry visits to complete their projects. Apart from routine academics, DOMS also conducts course activities on auditing, field visits, organizing professional events, working on live business projects, and involving in management workshops. Department of Management Studies, IIT Madras, also focuses on co-curricular courses on business communication, negotiation and presentation skills, time management, business etiquette, and many more. Number 3. Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. The Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode, is one of the 19 IIMs set by the Government of India. It was established in collaboration with the state government of Kerala. IIM Kozhikode lays strong emphasis on global and cross-cultural issues and analytical skills for the overall development of students. IIM Kozhikode has successfully collaborated with leading management colleges in ASEAN and European countries for foreign exchange programs. Number 2. Indian Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli. The Indian Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli, also known as IIM Trichy, is a public graduate business school located in Tamil Nadu. Within a few years of its inception, IIM Trichy has been in the news for placing students in reputed companies, offering average salary packages in the range of 10 lakhs to 14 lakhs per annum. The USP of IIM Trichy lies in its ability to provide global exposure to its students, offering them a golden opportunity to experience an international business and socio-cultural environment. Number 1. Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Finally, it's none other than the IIM Bangalore that tops the list of the best B schools in South India. The Postgraduate Program in Management, PGP, a 2-year full-time course, is its flagship program. It is important to note that several case studies developed by IIMB students have been distributed through Harvard Business Publishing, HBP. IIM Bangalore has collaborated with over 115 top MBA institutes across the globe for research and faculty exchange program. So, that's our list of top 5 B schools in South India. Which one are you aiming for? Let us know in the comments.